So today I'll be showing you guys how to find key support and resistance levels to be able to identify the best trade setups. So first off, you want to go to Coinigy.com and then select your preferred market and crypto pair that you would be trading. So here I am on Lightspeed Crypto and Bitcoin USD. So now that we're here, we'll take a look at the actual candlestick chart, and I am on the 1-day time frame. Usually you want to work down from the higher time frames down to the lower ones. This is called top-down analysis. So I like to start on the 1 day and then work my way down to the 4 hour, 1 hour, 15-minute to actually plan my entries and exits. So what is support and what is resistance? Support is a key area where buyers usually step in and prop the price back up, whereas resistance is a key area where sellers step in and bring the price back down. So how do we find support and resistance levels, and how do we know that price will respect these levels? So to do that, we must look at historical price action at those specific levels. So first off, what you want to do is go to the drawing tools here, and I like to use the horizontal ray. Now, after I click that, what I want to do is just kind of take a quick glance and see which areas have the most touch points. So right off the top right here, I can see this is a key area right here. So you may be thinking, why did I choose that? Well, first of all, you can see there was this really big run up over here from about 10,500 all the way up to 40,000, and clear rejection off that 40,100 level. So that area at that time was acting as resistance. And then you can see that the price consolidated back down to the moving averages. And then once it clearly broke through that price level, we saw a clear run up, a continuation up of the trend. And if we go back now, or rather if we go forward in time, so now in May of 2021, now this area is acting as support, or was acting as support. But then as soon as we broke through that support, you can see it was then acting as resistance, because when price came down, it did not hold up. Buyers did not step in, but instead sellers stepped in, brought the price back down, and the sellers did not allow the price to go back above that price point. So now this is a clear example of when previous support turns into now resistance. So as you can see, buyers were not able to bring that price back up past this level all the way up until July of 2021. And when it did, as you can see, it broke cleanly right through that level. And after a little bit of consolidation, it found support at that previous resistance, and the trend continued back upwards. Now, if we want to find another level of support or resistance, another one that stands out to me clearly is right over here. So I'll plot that line. So here, once I broke through this line through this 41,000 area rather, we saw price go back up. It rejected off of this 52K level, retraced back to 41,000, and now that previous resistance now acts as support. Buyer stepped in, brought that price back up, and it cleared this previous resistance. And over here, it now acted as support temporarily, but the buyers were not able to hold that level. Sellers stepped in and brought the price back down.